The Kherson region village of Ivanivka has been liberated from Russian invaders by the armed forces of Ukraine, according to a statement conducted by the 60th Separate Infantry Brigade. Thanks to the coordinated work of the Ukrainian military from the 60th Separate Infantry Brigade, we have established control over another settlement. Nothing but terrible memories and dead military equipment have left from Russian occupiers in Ivanivka, the statement said. Communication is being established by the military of Ukraine with local citizens, as well as giving aid to those who may need it. Currently, Ukraine authorities have urged residents in the southern region to evacuate, particularly ahead of a Ukrainian counterattack against Russian enemy invaders. The Ukrainian military reported destroying a Russian ammunition depot in southern Ukraine, resulting in a massive explosion captured on social media, while authorities said the death toll from a weekend Russian strike in the country's east grew to 41. An overnight rocket strike targeted the depot in Russian-held Novokakhovka, the Ukrainian military's southern command said. Novokakhovka is located about 35 miles east of the Black Sea port city of Kherson, which is also occupied by Russian forces. The precision of the strike suggested Ukrainian forces used US-supplied multiple launch high-mobility artillery rocket systems, or HIMARS, to hit the area. At least 7 people were killed in the deadly strikes, including Chief of Staff for the 22nd Army Corps of the Armed Forces of the Russian Federation, Major General Artem Nazbulin, another high-profile Kremlin casualty. Serhiy Brachik, the spokesman for the head of the Odessa Regional Military Administration, told his followers on Telegram that a HIMARS missile hit and the General Nazbulin was killed. According to preliminary information, the sounds that were heard at night in Kakhovka and nearby are a clear hit of our armed forces in Tavriisk. We destroyed a moving enemy command point, military equipment, radars and antennas, air defense that set their orcs. There are 200 Russians. Earlier Monday, 12 Russian officers are also thought to have been killed in a single rocket strike as Ukraine's armed forces inflict punishing losses with American-supplied weapons. Dramatic footage shows a fireball eruption and mushroom cloud in Novaya Kakhovka in the occupied Kherson region after the rockets blasted into the depot where saltpeter is stored for fertilizer and explosives. It was also used in an earlier attack near Kherson, in which a total of 12 Russian officers, including a colonel, were also said to have been killed when the US-supplied missiles hit their command post. The blasts at Novaya Kakhovka show how Ukrainian forces are busily destroying everything they manage to reach with the help of HIMARS, 3-axis howitzer M777s, and French Caesars self-propelled howitzers. Experts also cast doubt on Ukraine's ability to launch a successful counterattack with current resources, but the defense minister suggested it will happen soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.